Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aarti. In today's video is going to be a sari draping, a dhoti sari draping.
So this is going to be like a kasta saree drape where you drape the sari in a kasta tuck for the salwar or the dhoti look, and then I'll show you how you can transform it like a dhoti suit or a salwar suit in a dhoti style. So without further ado, now let's move on to the draping style.
So to start draping, all you need is to put on a tights or a leggings and heels, of course. I've tucked in my top just to show you how this draping will work. Now take your sari and take it around your waistline where you want the left side to come on the left, of course. And I'm leaving about 1.25 fabric on the left side, and I'm tying a knot over here, a double knot over here in the center of your waistline. Now take the left side of the sari like this and take it around your leg underneath your sari edge like that, so it transforms into a salwar kind of a look, a dhoti look on your left side. Take the widthwise section and start making pleats. Now simply tuck it in your back waistline. Now come back to the other side, the right side, and take the whole sari and do the same. Repeat the process. Just wrap it around like this and pull the edge over here till your back waistline, and you're going to make 2 to 3 pleats over here for comfort, and again pull it up and tuck it in your back waistline. So you can see I've adjusted the back side of the drape. Now come to the front and just leave the palla, change into a tunic. So in this case I'm wearing a tunic which matches the pink color and the vibrant sari. You can use any type of a tunic. Now take the palla section over here from the right side, make pleats. I'm just making uneven pleats and wrap it like this from back to front around your neck like a dupatta, and that completes the look. I've just added earrings to complete the look over here, and you can see that I've also kept the palla a bit longer. You can keep it shorter as well depending on the length of your tunic or top, and this completes the look. Now remember, you can also wear a flowy sari like a georgette or chiffon in prints to match the entire look.
So guys, that's all from me on how you can wear a sari into a dhoti salwar suit style. I hope you liked the video, and if you still have recommendations of new sari draping videos or any other fashion and style videos, you can leave it in the comments below, and do let me know in the comments how this video or this style went for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to share your love and support. And thanks so much. I'll see you again next time.